I'm going to teach you how to upload your Fortnite creative maps. First, go ahead and open the settings menu. From here, we need island settings, overview, then go ahead and click publish island. Let's wait for this to load. Here we can see the test code if we need to test it inside of a private code, just to see everything works over there. We've also got the link that we need to go to publish our maps. So you can now see I've set it to newest private code and we see Farm Tycoon, Fortnite Creative. Click on that. We're going to go ahead and click private versions. And we're going to go ahead and press create release on the most recently created code. Should look like this. Go ahead and press continue. Fill in your name, description. Turn on machine localize if you want it to be translated into a different country's language. How to play is essentially the text that shows up on the screen when the player is loading into the lobby. If you need help with your island tags, description and title, go ahead and type in, for example, tycoon, because this one is a tycoon. It's a bad tycoon, but it's a tycoon. And you can look what other people have done with their description, tags, etc. Now, if this was an update, you'd have this section here. You don't need to fill it in so much, but it's okay. You do need to put something in there though if it shows up. Go ahead and do the IARC form. This is essentially so it knows it's for moderation reasons. Go ahead and click game. If you have shooting in your game, you need to press yes. And it'll be violence against whichever ones you've got in here. It's realistic. No. Unrealistic. How is violent presented in the game? Realistically, you're probably going to have on both on often. Level of blood and gore? No. Do they respond like humans? It depends, obviously, if they do. But more than likely is yes. Violence against real world animals? Depends if you've got them in your map. Are there any fierce sounds? Depends if it's on yours. Violence against humans? Again, it would be like the same thing. Blood would be no. And realistic plays is yes. Can innocent characters be killed? Depends on your map. Fierce sounds? Probably yes. But if you don't have guns or anything, you just click no. Fear, if it's a horror game, it'll be yes. If it's not, it'll be no. From these next sections, from here to here, you just press no on all of these. Because if you have those things in your game, you won't actually be getting into Fortnite. Like, you can't post if you have these kind of things, so they should be ticked to no. For these ones, miscellaneous, it's yes, 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 and then no, 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 no. Feel free to pause and copy this exactly. I'm going to go ahead and press back, but that should be right, what I've done. For my island, at least. Sure, let's continue what we was doing. Now we'll be on promotional images. Make sure your image is a 1920 by 1080 picture. We can go ahead and open a website like Canva. Click on create. Put in width and height of 1920 by 1080. We'll have this. Then you need to go create a thumbnail. I mainly use AI. I'll link in the description a video that I made on how to use AI to create good thumbnails. Next will be attributions. Because this is a Creative 1.0 map, I'd assume this is a Creative 1.0 map, you do not need to do any attributions. And visibility, just press listed, and marketing and promotion, just press accept. That'll be your map uploaded. I have, of course, first link in the description if you want to start making more creative maps. Subscribe.